The G30S N100 is a fanless mini PC from BKHD with 4 Ethernet ports. Can be applied to network security, network management, virtual machines, personal computers, etc. The front panel has 4 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports and 1 console. There is a SIM card slot on the back panel to support wireless modules. 1 DP and 1 HDMI support video output. 2 USB 3 ports. 1 power button and 2 USB 2 ports. The motherboard has a mini PCIe slot and supports 4G or Wi-Fi modules. 1 M.2 SSD slot for storage. 1 DDR5 memory slot. 1 SATA port and power supply can support expansion of 1 2.5-inch SSD. You can learn more about our products on our website.